bangle for the loop. It measures around 3 inches. Start with a slip knot. And take your loop and go under the loop and do a single crochet. Now take this loose end along with this and keep making single crochets all around. Now repeat this all around, one single crochet until you cover the whole loop. Once you get it all covered, this is how it should look. And now slip stitch into the first single crochet, and now one single crochet into the same stitch, skip 2, that's 1 and 2, and here the third stitch you'll make 7 double crochets. Now skip the next 2, 1, 2, and in the third stitch make a single crochet. Now if you're using a thicker yarn, you can reduce this double crochets over here. Just check it. If it is getting bunched up, you can use around 5 double crochets. Now repeat this all around, skip 2, and in the third stitch you'll make 7 double crochets, skip 2, 1 single crochet, skip 2 and 7 double crochets. Keep repeating this all around. Once you reach the end, slip stitch into the first single crochet. For making the loop, chain 10, and slip stitch into the same stitch and weave off your yarn. Now use the red color yarn to make the bow. Just tie it around over here. Pull it tight. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.